You can actually bolt your door shut. Wow. Okay. That's different. Be sure to give him a like. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Can I see the back first? Nice. Y'all did a really good job sealing everything off. Thanks, man. And you built it into the vehicle to optimize the space. Nice work. Did you build it in actually, or slide it, or?
It was built in. It's built to the car.
Okay. Is there any? Is the amps not back there? Where are they at?
They're behind. Everything's in the cab behind the front.
Okay. Okay. I'll go look at it. So you can actually bolt your door shut. Wow. Okay. That's different. So he's actually gonna bolt me in. I hope you got a backup if your battery dies. This is different. I'm trying to figure out if it's a bandpass, just a standard ported fourth.
So it's a 6th.
Oh, 6, okay. Wow. So your name and everything in here, go ahead, babe.
So I'm Carson Davis, and this is a 2004 Honda Accord. And Cody Hubbard helped me put a 6-order wall in here. And I'm currently running 2 ZV5s on 2 Terramp Smart 5 bases. 2 45 amp hour King Lithium C-Max banks. 300 amp hour CS alternator.
Very nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Big 8 or 10 inch star mid-range.
Scar mid-range. 6 of those. No tweeters or anything. Still in process of everything.
Okay. So what made you put your amplifiers and battery here instead of in the trunk?
Cheap. It was cheap. I didn't have enough runs for wire yet.
Yeah, you got. Hey, it works. Shorter runs actually better current flow too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, now I see kind of. So this is the port for the front,
yes,
and then the back is like a square.
Yep, and it fires in, and it's got that split to kind of.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
And it fires back into.
Yes, sir. Wow, that's nice. What made you do this type of box, like instead of just a standard fourth or flat wall, just to make it a 6th order?
It was Cody Hubbard's idea, man.
Okay.
And we went and rolled with it.
You did good, man. It looks good. I like it. Do you know the tunings?
I'm tuned to 25 and 53.
Okay.
It does okay.
I like it. I'm looking forward to hearing it.
Appreciate it.
Any SPL test burps on it yet?
Not really. Not really. Cody's out here for fun, man.
Yeah, man. What made you add that bolt to the door?
Both of the doors broke in half right here, and we welded plates in on to support the window frame.
Yes, sir.
And that we just wanted to make sure that door was tight to the car because it just flexes.
It'll help. Yeah, got it. All right, yeah, man.
Trying to do everything we can without spending a bunch of money.
Yeah, that works.
So.
All right, yeah, man. Love to hear it.
All right.
Ready when you are. Nice. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Looking forward to showing y'all how his bass demo sounds. He gave us at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2023. Shout out to him. He did a really good job showcasing it. If you haven't already, give him a like. Really nice box design. It took a lot of work to get to the show and to make this system happen because he built it into the vehicle, made it a 6th order, and it is a dual subwoofer system. So if you didn't notice earlier, there is a rear port making this a 6th order enclosure, which makes it a very unique style design. It's not a flat wall, not a 4th order. That rear port makes it a 6th order with the front tuning and the back tuning. During the demo, you're going to see the bolt that was actually holding the door shut helped a lot tremendously with the flex. So anybody that's looking to do extreme measures, something like this is a really good option for your door to keep it from flexing as much. So this was from Hubdog Enclosures. Did a really nice job with the box layout. Really high tuning on the front end for this 6th order. And it was total of 10,000 watts for this dual subwoofer system. We're getting to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos, and enjoy.
For the night. Walking for the night.
Yeah, dude, I appreciate you turning that up for me. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's not out like that. It's making me sneeze almost. Oh. Thanks, man. Yeah, man, I'm in the hot seat. Be sure to give him a like. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.